So if you want to create QR code for your business, whether you want to share your Wi-Fi password, mobile number, email address, or any type of details that you want to offer to your client, you can create a QR code for that. So let me show you how you can create QR code in Canva. So for this, you can just log into Canva and you can create a custom size here. So here let me set the width to 1000 and set the height to 1000 pixel, and let's create a new design. Now you need to go to app section and simply search for QR, and here you will find a lot of apps that can help you generate QR. So this is the standard QR code app for Canva. So let me click on that. Now you need to enter your website URL so that whenever anyone scan the QR code, it will redirect to that URL. So let me add my URL here. Now you can customize the QR code. You can set the background color, foreground color, and set the margin. So let's keep it default and let's generate a QR code. And as you can see, QR code is now generated. Now you can resize the QR code in the design. Now you can further customize the design. So for this, what I can do is I will click on elements and simply search for QR again. And here you will find a lot of graphics, and here I can add a border around it. So let me select this, scan me. Let me increase the size of this. Now I will click on position, click on layers, and I will keep the QR code to the front section. Let me resize the QR code like this, and your design is almost ready. You can further add different type of elements here like scan me, or you have different type of frames. So you can choose any of the templates and use it. Now you can just simply share and download the QR code to your computer. So this is how simple it is to generate QR code in Canva. You can use another apps as well. So let me select this one, Gen QR, and here you can add text. So whenever someone scan the QR code, it will display a text, or you can add links as well. You have a lot of pre-made templates, so you can choose any of the templates. So let me set the text here, and you can see this is how it looks. So you can add different type of decorative designs to your QR code. So in this way, you can create different unique QR code for your business and attract more visitors to your website, or you want to share your Wi-Fi password or share anything, you can just use QR code in your business. If you want to create QR code generator tool for your website, then I have already created a video on that. So you can find that video link in the description. And if you found this type of content helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.